Okay, good afternoon, good evening, whatever your time schedule. Welcome to More Joy Marketplace. Today, I'm going to use this video to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can do More Joy staking. We wanted it, is there, minimum of $1 you can start staking. So, I'm going to do this demonstration using the MetaMask wallet, as well as you can use other Web3 wallets, but I think MetaMask for me is the easy go. So the first thing you should do to start this process is to get the link of More Joy Marketplace. If you are not yet a member of More Joy Marketplace, please, you need to register on More Joy Marketplace before you can do anything. So we'll get the link of the More Joy Marketplace and we're going to take it to our MetaMask. And already in that MetaMask, we should already have our USDT and our BNB as gas fee ready, and from there everything will take on. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to get the link. Let's go to Google. You can just come on Google like this and you type My Joy Market. So My Joy Market is the link you want. So you click on My Joy Market, you copy the link. So you come here, you go there, you click on this clip and you copy the link. Now, once the link is copied, the next stage is to get to your MetaMask. So you get to your MetaMask, and in your MetaMask, you get in. So let me get into my Meta. Once you're in MetaMask, you need to make sure you have USDT and you have BNB. And Morejoy has made it so simple you can stake even $1, guys, $1. So I have up to $7 here. I can do 7 stakings and choose the price at which I will be paid my compensation. But every 30 days, I will have my stake sent to me. So right here, from here, the next thing you're going to do is to get to the browser, or what we call the Explorer. So you come here, right there. Now you click and you come to this Explorer screen and you move right up here, right up where we have this 4 right there, and you get to the plus sign to add the My Joy Marketplace to your MetaMask Explorer. So you click on that plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, guys, it's going to give you the screen. It's going to load and give you this message, portfolio MetaMask, and you're going to click on it and clear it off. That is, you click and click on the arrow to clear it off, and then now you paste the link. You paste the link that we earlier copied, and once you paste that link, guys, it's going to take you to My Joy Marketplace, and you're going to insert your address, that is your email and your password. If you haven't registered in the My Joy Marketplace, you need to first of all register, because if you haven't registered, you can gain access. And this is me. I've just gained access because I've been registered, and I can log out. Let's do it again so that you can see properly how this can work out for you, that you're coming here for your first time. So let me see, co-workplace. Let me see, I can log out rapidly and come in again to give you a good demonstration. Okay, here we are. You see, I'm not locking. So if you haven't, if you're already registered, you click on login. If you are not registered, you need to register first. You click on registration and you register. So now you're going to carry down here your registration information. So you're going to put in your email and your password to get to the website to do your staking. So that is what we are going to do right now. So Once everything is okay, just click on login with credentials. So you just need to click on this login with credentials, and that is go, ready to go. Now you're now logging. Welcome to MyJoy. So right here you have the different menus. You're just going to come to staking. So here you're going to come to staking. That is to come to MyJoy staking right there. So that is where you're going to show up. Excuse me for all this. So we just click on open stake. So right there you click there, open stake, and you're on the page of staking. And if you look right now, look at this price. When the staking started yesterday, the price of MoJoy was at 18,000, but we are already at 22,330, and we have a plus 16 within 24 hours. We have a total of $356 that has come on board for staking. So you see that this is growing, and you have here my personal information and everything that I have in my wallet reflecting right there. So right now we are going to stake. Please, the menu is still very fresh, and we have a tight with the mobile. So this will be adjusted. I have highlighted this to be adjusted. So right now we're going to stake. It's very simple. You just come here and you click on the order bot. That is how much you want to stake. You will click right there, and you're going to choose the target price or the price target where your reward is going to be. Do you want to wait to attain a price target of 3,000 or 300 and plus? Is to be 3,000? This screen is not really showing out, but as according to the flyers, it should be. If we look at the flyers right there, if we come here and look at the flyers, it should be 3,000%. So right there 300, I said 3,000, excuse me. So right there is 300. So you're seeing, so that is the highest. So each of these target prices gives you the percentage of reward you're going to receive. So right here the minimal stake is $1. So right, you see here that we can stake at minimal stake $1, and we're going to have this amount of Joy coin in 30 days. And this was still when the price was at 18,000, but you have seen that the price has moved to 22,000, meaning the stakings are coming in progressively. So let's go and do a stake right now for you to see. I will go progressively. I will take I want a $20 after 30 days. I will click on 60. I'll select 60. You've seen me, I've highlighted 60 right there. So right now I will go up and click on make my order right there. So make my order. There we go. Now my order, I want to stake how much? You saw I had $8 in my wallet. I want to stake, minimal is $1. So I'm going to stake $1, and I've choose my target price is 60,000. So at 60,000 I'm going to receive my reward of joy, and that reward of joy is going to be this. And after 30 days I'm going to receive my staking back into my wallet, and waiting for the 60,000 to receive my reward. So right now just click on the button stake, and there we go. Very simple, and that is it. So let's click stake. You just wait for the process system to align. There we go. It's loading. You see that is $1 that is going to be deducted from my wallet. So what I just need to click on confirm right there, confirm, and wait for the process to load completely. And stake order number 2 recorded. Yes, because I did the first one to test. So you see I have it there, and you can look detailedly, everything is right there. This is order number 2 that we just did now, $1. That is the hash. And here is my delivery schedule record of my Joy staking, and you can see it right there. The first one I selected a price target of 50. The second, I selected a price target of 60, and there are my rewards that I'm waiting. So after 30 days, amount of joy to be sent at target price. So after 30 days, I will receive this amount of joy, and at my target prices, I will receive this compensation. Guys, this is fantastic, and this is the way to become a millionaire and make a lot of money while holding your joy and staking it and restaking it. So guys, this is how we do it, and hook on for more videos, or if you need other details, we'll be there to help you understand more better. Thank you, and see you in another video.